here I am, sat up a roof. Well, up the roof. And it's taken 2 weeks, a week of which I've done on my own. And I think I'm almost finished. All I've got to do now is put the moss killer and lichen killer on it, because the tiles are so pitted that if I don't treat the roof now, it'll be back in 5 minutes. I've done everything I can think of doing, albeit I think if I was doing it from scratch again, I'd do it a little bit differently, because I'm still not convinced that the valley roof is the valley gutter has been done properly. Hello, birdie. Actually, talking of birdies, I was attacked by the seagulls yesterday. Attacked by the seagulls yesterday, and then when I was clearing the moss off the roof today, I go up, I discovered. See that seagull over there on top of the window? If you look very closely at the end of the valley gutter, the valley, there's a nest, and that's why he was getting a bit shirty with me, clearly, because he considered me a threat. Anyway, there we go. Gotta get going. It's getting on for 5 o'clock, and getting on for 5 o'clock, and it's supposed to rain in an hour or two's time, and I want this moss killer to have dried off. Hope it works. Nothing ventured, nothing gained.